Your time starts now.
It's a noun. It's a name. Name of a person. It's a bagay. Bagay. English. Feeling. State of mind. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. Parang love. Chastity. It's an abstract noun which pinapag-aralan sa school ng nursery.
30 seconds.
Ng grade 1. Math. College. College. Napapag-aralan ng every student. Hindi lahat ng student. Parang architecture. Course. It's a bad abstract noun. Shit. It's a short word. Parang one-syllable word.
1 minute.
Maraming kinds of this noun. Maraming kinds, maraming colors. Maraming kinds, parang, is it for girls? Girls and boys. Girls and boys, young? For young. Para kay, is it like, para sa young?
1 minute 30.
30 seconds.
Naeba. It's a feeling. Shit. Abstract noun, right? Do we use the word? Ginagamit natin yung word palagi.
9, 8, 7,
Pero hindi gano'n palagi, okay?
5, 4,